Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing another Miss A video. And yes, you guys are probably like, how many fucking more products can you bitch review? Let me tell you that as long as Shop Miss A keeps putting out products, I am going to be reviewing so many of their products because A, they're affordable, B, most of them are freaking good, and 3, it's my fucking money. But like I said, I have a whole new package of new products from Shop Miss A. Today was just one of those days where I had to go get a freaking coffee because I was just too effing tired. So I went to Starbucks this morning and I got this red cup, and I went to go get their holiday cups, and bitch, why are they fucking out? Like, they're sold out everywhere. I went online and I checked, that way I can get them online, so that way I can just go pick them up, and people are fucking savages, like savages. Like, I didn't even know Starbucks cups were such a huge thing until now, where I'm like, okay, I didn't even realize that people were actually shopping for these cups. So before we get into the video, you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post a video. But anyways, yeah, let's just get started with today's video. Let's just get right into the video because there's so many shit. And last time when I got the Miss A package, I don't know if you guys recall, but I got them in like just delivered like in a bag, and this is how they arrived, not bubble wrapped. This time I don't know if they freaking watch my videos or they're taking better care of their products, but this is how I got my package, like fully freaking wrapped, bubble wrapped. I don't know what this is freaking called, but bitch, they fucking listened. So I think I'm gonna start with the brows. I'm gonna start with this Amuse Cosmetics Brow Perfecting Duo. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the inside looks like. So it kind of gives me like Anastasia vibes. You know, their brow powders, or Wow Brow, or whatever they're freaking called. For eyeshadow, I got quite a few. So I got this one right here. This is the Amuse Cosmetics Face and Cheek palette. So it looks like that. It's more of a little cool tone moment. Comes with blush, highlight, and then these cool tone shadows. Not sure if this is my vibe for today, but maybe I'll dip into there. So then I got this one, which was the same as that one. This is a face and cheek palette. It's more like a little neutral mauve moment. Then I got this Amuse Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Amuse Cosmetics has been like releasing so many palettes, but I got this one right here. Ooh, that smells like crayons. Wow, it smells like freaking crayons. Took me to like freaking 2nd grade. Then I got these right here. So I got this blue one, this pink rosy one, and I got this one right here. This is more like a neutral pinky with a little hint of like cool tone in there. So I'm gonna try to use as much of these shadows as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this pinky shade right there. Just go ahead and take it. So I'm gonna grab a shade from this palette right here, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brown one right here. Okay, this one does have fallout. I'm gonna grab the black, but it's not really like a black, it's more like a charcoal color. So I'm gonna take that one in the same brush and just see if I can use one of these. These are their baked eyeshadows. I'm not sure what I want to the lid, but I do have shadow sticks. I have this purpley silvery baked shadow which looks amazing. This is called Gravel. I have this like silvery with a hint of blue shadow. It's called Ash. Then I have this silvery tone. It's called Lagoon Iridescent Pearly Baked Shadow. This one is called Dove. This light creamier iridescent big shadow. This one's called Creme. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This blue, it has specks of like pink in there. Not sure if this is my vibe today, but I'm not going to use this, but look at how gorgeous this is. Gray, charcoal, black with a hint of like gold reflex in there. This is called Goblin. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Goblin and oh shit. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it on my finger. It looks more charcoal than black. There's hardly any glitter in there, which in my part I wish that there was, because you can actually see it on the pan. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little bit of like a gold reflex in there, which, where's it at? More like I tap it, I feel like it's removing the shadow. I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's more like a gold, rose gold pink. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but that is what it looks like. Oh, that has a lot of fallout. I can't really reach into my inner corner, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take a brush for that. I'm gonna apply some Fix Plus to that and see if that works a lot better. And oh, I'm running low. So I'm just going to take that and try to pack it in that inner corner. Okay, yes. So I'm going to be back to show you guys the rest of the face because I need to change out my battery. I'm going to do this eye off camera. I'm going to show you guys everything else that needs to be, you know, put on my face. And yeah, I will be right back to show you guys the rest of the products. I just finished off the rest of my face. I went ahead and did my foundation, my concealer, and my setting powder, and yeah, I just finished off the rest of the eyes. So moving on to a liner, I got this She Makeup waterproof matte liner. To let you guys know, I really don't go for waterproof liner, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. I wonder if I'm gonna like it or not, so I mean, we'll see. Not sure if I'm really liking the liner, you guys. I want to go over it one more time, and I did right here, and it kind of picked up the liner and the shadow. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it picked it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. I have 4 pairs, so I'm gonna go with the style Vanessa for this look, which look like this. Let's move on to the face. So for bronzer, I have these 2 face palettes right here. I think I'm gonna go in with this one just because it has a darker bronzer and this one is more lighter. But I'm gonna take this right here, which is pigmented. Ooh, shit. I have been a little MIA here on YouTube and also on Instagram because there's so much going on in my personal life, and I've just been, you know, on the struggle bus. Not really financially, it's more like personal problems and stuff, and I know we all have them. So running to products and buying new makeup is like my therapy session, if that makes sense, or if you guys are like that, you guys know what I mean. I just, you know, there's just some days where you're just like, oh, I need a breather, and you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a blush, and I do know that I got these blushes in here, but I don't think I'm gonna use any of these because I got blushes. So again, these are from Muse Cosmetics and they look like this. This one is called Mandarin Pop and Golden Peach. So I think I'm gonna go in with Golden Peach because Mandarin Pop is so orange, but I'm gonna take this as a blush brush. But as I was saying, you guys, like, shit happens for a reason. Obviously, I don't know if you guys are believers. I'm such a believer that things happen for a reason. Karma happens for a reason, and like, it all makes us stronger at the end. And definitely just shit happens. I understand, and I just know that God is putting me through hectic situations right now because he knows that I can get through them and I will overcome them, and at the end of the day I will be a bigger person because of them. But there's just some days that, I don't know if you guys ever do this, but there's just some days that I just go in my room and I lock myself out and I literally bawl my eyes out. You guys, like, we all have these days, I understand, and my anxiety has been building up these couple of days or this past week, and I know everything's gonna be okay, and it's just stressful right now, but it'll get better at the end of the day. You know, just problems make your families come together. In my family, just things just fall apart, but I'm not gonna get into details. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, get it off my chest, because I know that in this video I'm gonna be more like, so I have a couple highlights in these palettes. There is a highlight in there and this one right here. I did get these Glow Baby highlights, so they're liquid highlights, which my mistake was setting my face. Not sure if I want to go ahead and use these just because I already set my face, and when you can't put liquid right on top of powder because it'll just kind of like take it off, you know what I mean? So I'm not going to use those today, but I am going to use one of these highlights today. So I think I'm going to use this one in this palette. It's like a goldeny rose champagne color. It's this one right here. Ooh, I like that. It's sheer. You do have to go over it a couple times, but so I'm going to take one of these baked eyeshadows. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one. This is Creme, and I am going to pop highlight in my inner corner. So I'm going to do some shadow on my lower lash, and I think I'm going to go in with this blue just to test it out. I think I'm going to go in with some dark blue. I'm going to take this one. So I'm going to grab this shade right here just to blend everything out. So I'm going to take this AOA Cream pencil stick. This is in the shade Shimmer Noir. I think I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line, see how it looks. Okay, that did absolutely nothing. Okay, we're just going to skip that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this AOA Oh Honey lip oil, and this is the apple flavor, and I'm just going to put some lip oil on my lips. Alright, you guys, so this is a look that I did. I am really not liking the lips. I am really liking the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a rundown of the products that, you know, were okay. So first, what I have are these right here, the face palettes. They're not bad for $1. I can't say that they're bad. I need to really test them out a little bit more in order to say if I like them or not. Okay, so I still gotta try out this palette because I only tried like 2 shades in here. Can't say if I hate them yet, but these palettes right here, these are pretty good. These are the ones that I mainly like used here in the video. So I used these right here mainly. I stuck to this one, but I also dabbed a little into these. They're not bad, you guys. Blue is not as pigmented as I'd like, but I mean, you can see it, it's there. I do freelance makeup, if you guys didn't know. Now you know. But I do freelance makeup, and these are gorgeous for my clients. So I did get like 15-20 of these and see if they like them. If I do for now, then obviously I will end up purchasing more, but so far these have been amazing. I really like the blushes. I can't say that I'm a major fan of these Muse Cosmetics one because I did go over them a couple times, but they're really pretty, you guys. Like, as you guys can see, they're very similar. By the way, the liner I didn't like. It's black, yes, but it didn't do like the job that I wanted it to do. You know, like how you apply like some liner and it'll just cover the glitter. I had to go a couple times in order to do just that. So if you guys saw me like in the video, I just showed you guys like me putting it on, but I did go in a couple times. So these single baked eyeshadows are actually really good, you guys. They're creamy, they're blendable, they're pigmented. As you guys saw, I used the black one and it's actually really good and pigmented, you guys. It does look like a charcoaly shade, but it's actually really good. I actually really enjoyed working with this. As you can look at the blue, that is gorgeous, and it's this blue one right here. Okay, my battery is dying out, so I need to do this like so quick, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys want me to do another AOA video. Let me know what other video suggestions you guys want to see next, or what other one branded video you guys want to see. I do have an e.l.f. video coming for you guys very soon, but other than that, let me know what other suggestions you guys have. I don't have anything else to say except that give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.